I have all the qualities required to build a successful career. Yes, I have all the qualities required to build a successful career. Even if I started feeling maybe I don't have, maybe other students are more intelligent than me, maybe I am not intelligent enough for success. I do not need to force confidence right now. I do not need to prove myself right now. Sometimes, when I overthink too much, I take stress, feel low, or keep doubting myself. I start feeling as if my qualities are gone. I am not intelligent enough. When I sit to study and my mind feels blank, I think I have lost my focus. When I compare myself with others, I think I have lost my worth. When one bad day comes, I think I have lost my discipline. When fear arises, I think I have lost my courage. But this is not the truth. This is the false belief that my qualities are missing. But the truth is, my qualities are not missing. They are just being suppressed. Yes, my qualities are not missing. They are just being suppressed. Stress can suppress my clarity. Overthinking can suppress my confidence. Fear can suppress my actions. Self doubt can suppress my courage. But suppression is not absence. That doesn't mean I don't have qualities to build a successful career. It's just these qualities gets suppressed, and what is suppressed can rise again. What feels blocked can open again. What feels weak can become strong again. So now I correct these false beliefs. This false belief that because I feel weak right now, maybe I don't have the qualities needed for success. But the deeper truth is, the qualities needed for a successful career are already inside me. Yes, the qualities needed for a successful career are already inside me. I may not feel them every day, but they are still there. I may not trust them fully right now, but they are still there. The ability to focus is inside me. The ability to grow is inside me. The ability to become disciplined is inside me. The ability to become emotionally strong is inside me. The ability to think clearly, to speak well, to adapt, to recover, and to keep moving forward is already inside me. The base of all this is already inside me. The base is already inside me. I do not build a successful career by becoming a different person overnight. I build it by bringing out the strength that is already inside me. So, my job is not to hate myself. My job is not to compare myself into success. My job is not to panic myself into success. My job is to stop suppressing myself and start strengthening myself. Whenever stress comes, I remember this. Stress can shake me, but it cannot define me. Overthinking can confuse me, but it cannot erase my qualities. A low phase can slow me down, but it cannot decide who I am. Self doubt can make me forget my strength, but it cannot remove my strength. Self doubt can make me forget my strength, but it cannot remove my strength. The qualities needed for a successful career are already inside me. My qualities are not suppressed. My qualities are not missing. They are being suppressed. And what is suppressed can rise again. I do not need to become someone else. I do not need to copy someone else. I need to reconnect with what is already inside me. I need to reconnect with me. I do not need to become someone else. I need to reconnect with what is already inside me. Whenever I doubt myself, I remind myself this truth. Whenever I feel low, I remind myself this truth. Whenever I compare myself, I remind myself this truth. Whenever stress suppresses my confidence, I remind myself this truth. And the truth is, the qualities needed for a successful career are already inside me. Yes, the qualities needed for a successful career are already inside me. So from now, I keep reminding myself the qualities needed for a successful career are already inside me. What I need is already inside me. I just need to stop burying it under stress, fear, and self doubt. Because the truth is, my qualities are still there, my strength is still there, and my successful career will not be built by finding a new self. It will be built by bringing out the best of what is actually inside me. The qualities needed for a successful career are already inside me. Yes, the truth is, the qualities needed for a successful career are already inside me.